दाइकी एक्सेस इंडिया एक जापानीज कंपनी है जो इंडिया में वेस्ट वाटर रिसाइकिल रीयूज पे काम कर रही है. एंड ऑल्सो ऑन टू द टेक्नोलॉजी, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ड्यूरिंग द कोविड टाइम, under the leadership of Prime Minister, a committee was formed by Principal Scientific Advisor Mahua, Jal Shakti, and all the scientists and IITs and all came together, and it was decided that there is a need for black and grey water treatment in India. And thereafter, after the advice of Principal Scientific Advisor to Prime Minister, there was a MOC, a Memorandum of Cooperation was done between India and Japan, and that was exchanged by both the Prime Minister India and Japan in 2022. And after 3 years, on last visit of our Yashasvi Prime Minister to Japan, that has been again extended for 3 years. As per this MOC, the black and grey water technology of Japan is to be used extensively all over India for black and grey water management. Currently, the technology is being utilized in Namami Gange, in NMCG project, right from Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gaurikund, Rishikesh, and Haridwar. As we are aware, the India is the biggest population in the world. We are about 20% population of the world, and we are also 22% livestock of the world. But we have only 4% of the world water. The groundwater is depleting every day. Therefore, with centralized system, decentralized system is the solution for the entire country, in which recycle reuse of wastewater can be useful, can be deployed into gardens, into institutions, into factories, into household, and anywhere and everywhere. So therefore, this decentralized technology and Daiki Access, which has now got two plants already running under Make in India, one in Gujarat, another in Haryana. The third is coming up at Bangalore in Japanese Industrial Township under Make in India. So Daiki India here to revolutionize the wastewater these things, and we need support of everybody. Thank you very much.